Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Now I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas decoration for the Christmas tree. I'm going to teach you and show you how to recycle empty plastic bottles of the lemon juice or the Citrone. Look at this. This is the empty bottles of Citrone. So we need this one, and we need the glitters. You can use the green glitters, or you can use the red color, or any color as you wish. And you need a small piece of sponge. You can cut out from the big sponge, cut out with the use of the scissor. And we need this white glue, and you can use also brush. So, and we need one piece of Christmas balls. You see, I already inserted in here, and I'm going to cut this one. And this is our project. Okay, look at this. And with the balls. Okay, so I'm going to cut these balls because I have already inserted. So I'm going to cut them. Okay, so this one I'm going to remove the cover. This one, the label, this Citrone. Okay. So just simply cut out with the use of the scissor, or with the use of the, look at this, I removed already. Okay. And I'm going first to fix the balls here. Okay. So let's start our project. You need also glue stick and a hot glue. So we will fix first this glue here. Okay. So we will fix in here in the center of the bottle. Look here, this is the center. Just press it like this, look, and wait to dry. Okay, it must be on the center so that it will be balanced. Okay, so the balls is already here. So now I'm going to put the glue here. Okay, this is our glue. So just put some in this container, and we are going to use this sponge. But before I have to start covering this one, I have to fix this one first with the glue so that this will not be open. So it will fix here. And I'm going also to put a handle like this. Look at this, because this is our project. Look, so I'm going to put a holder here by using this cotton thread. So I will cut a little bit. So I am going also to fix here on the top of the plastic bottle. So what here, just fix like that. And wait to dry. And now I'm going to start to cover this one with the use of this sponge, and I will brush this glue all over in this plastic bottle. Okay. Have to fill more because it needs more. Okay. We'll just fill it slowly because maybe it will have more, so it will be waste. So we will cover only this one here and at the bottom side, and then we will sprinkle this one with the glitters. We will brush first all over with the use of this glue. So I'm going to use this yellow color, so I'm going to spread it on the top of it. Look at this. Just simply spread it, sprinkle it all over the bottle of this lemon. And we can also patch like this, so that everywhere it will be filled with the glue. So look at this. So this is very easy and very simple way how to create Christmas decoration. Now it looks like a bell now, okay? Looks like a bell. So this is it. Look at this. So this is my project now, okay? So I hope you will like this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, just give a thumbs up and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated every time I upload my videos. I will show you the red one I have here. So look at here, I have red and golden. Okay, so this is it. So this is how to recycle plastic waste of the lemon juice, and this is the transformation, a bell type Christmas decoration. So this is S.G.M creations and tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please click the notification bell so that you will be notified. Advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Greetings from S.G.M from Switzerland. Dankeschön, auf Wiedersehen, merci beaucoup, Evarestopoli, and daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa akong YouTube channel. Look at this, very beautiful. This is the best craft from the plastic bottles of lemon juice. Dankeschön, bye-bye.